Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing these autumn fall bottles for home decor. Here I will be using the beautiful dewdrops from the Robin Nest Creative. I will be using these paints to color my bottle. Some of these are acrylic paints and some are from the tubes. I will also use this burlap ribbon to go with my bottle, and I have stamped some flowers keeping the theme of autumn to decorate, and also these ribbons to tie. So we shall begin, and I hope you will enjoy as I create. Here I am taking a bottle first, and I will color this bottle using the acrylic paint. So we place these bottles aside first, and here using the sponge and using this acrylic color, I am going with the orange shade, that is the sedenium orange. This is an acrylic tube color. I just place it here in my color palette, and using the sponge I will dab the color here. Now to make a window to my bottle, I am using this cutout of a maple leaf. Since it's autumn, I thought we could go with this very nicely. I am holding it with a double-sided tape, and then I will remove it once I finish my coloring. So here I start coloring. So first I will take the leaf portion, so I am free to color the rest of the bottle. You have to hold it very tightly so that it doesn't shift while you are dabbing your color. Now as you are turning, you know that your petal is here, but still you can hold it and till you get the shape of it. Okay. Now here you could do some touch-ups. That is, you could place the sleeve exactly in its position, and you could go with the retouch here wherever you think you have missed it. Sometime while shifting, you try to miss the position, no problem. Okay, I will leave this aside and I will give it a nice shading using the same color. So now you are free to hold your bottle once you get the shape of the leaf. And then you use your color and start spreading it all over the bottle. A wet tissue and very nicely wipe the inner of your leaf, shaping if there is an extra color which has got entered. Whatever you have, like if you have a sparkling dust, you can use that. If you have a diamond dust, you can use that, and just put it over your bottle so that it dries with your color. Here I'm using the black acrylic to write over it. So I take my palette and I will place the black color. Here I have taken the black acrylic color to write the word fall. So I'll pick the bottles and write a nice Here we are finished with our bottles. You could place small tea light holders into the bottle, light them and decor your homes for this autumn fall season. Thank you for watching. Bye. Do visit the Robin Nest website for the lovely dewdrops. See you next time.